Hello everyone. Welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture I have selected one question from your NCERT textbook. The question is this one. What is the question? In how many ways 5 boys and 3 guards is seated in a row so that no 2 guards are together? I think you can easily visualize the situation. How many, suppose I have considered all the students are there. Okay, all our friends, suppose 5 and 3, total 8 friends are there. Out of 8 friends, 5 boys and 3 girls are there. But remember, suppose whenever they have to sit, one condition is given to them. They have a condition here we say that no 2 girls should be together. Dujoni swali ekeloge bohibo nwaribo. So think properly what will happen. So the restriction is given on the guards. Restriction to car upor dia hoise, swali bilakor upor dia hoise. So that's why as 2 guards should not be there together, jeto dujoni swali ekeloge thakibo nwaribo. So first of all we will try to sit all the boys in such a way that ami lora gita enike poham jate lora bilakor maje maje ejoni ejoni swali bohibo pare. So first of all we will try to sit all the boys. So how many boys are there? First boy, suppose 1 boy is here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Listen, already I have given the 5 different seats for 5 different boys. Are they same? No, all the objects are distinct. It is known to you, I think you have got it, when all the objects are distinct. And if the situation is of an arrangement situation, it is an arrangement or question mark. That means you have to arrange among themselves. Boys are swalibilak or Laura swalibilak an arrangement koribo lage with respect to their seats. As the situation or the question demands the arrangement, so that this one is a question for competition, no doubt. So many different situations will be there for competition. But here in this competition question, all the 8 objects are distinct. No 2 boys will be same, no 2 girls will be same. All the objects are distinct. And when all the objects are distinct, mane beleg, so you can easily think about the property. A property will be the property. Can we apply this property? Yes. We can easily apply this property, but think first. So let me explain. Let me explain for you. So listen, and in the remaining places here, in the blank places, if I will sit the guards there, if I will allow the guards to sit in the places, then obviously no 2 guards will be together because one guard will be here, in these places. Guards can be seated here in this place only. One on chair is given in between them. So তোমালোকে যে ভাবিছা যেটা লৰা বিলাক ওপৰ পিছত যেটা মই ছোৱালীবিলাকৰ কাৰণে প্লেস বিলাক এনেদৰে ওপেন কৰি দিলো, no 2 guards will be together. First of all, listen. ছোৱালীবিলাকৰ পিছলৈ যাম. Next, first of all, how many for boys how many places are there? Exactly 5 different places. How many boys we have? 5. 5টা লৰা 5টা প্লেসত কিমান ওয়েজত বহিব পাৰে? 5 boys are there. Out of 5 boys, we have to arrange among themselves. So answer is 55, which is equal to factor of 5. 105 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 120. Are you getting my point? How many boys are there? 5 boys. How many, out of 5 boys, how many boys are required to be arranged? Kimanta lora tumi arrange koribo lage? Guti 5টা arrange koribo lage. Out of 5 boys, we have to arrange 5 boys among themselves. Guti 5টা lora majhe ami arrange kori to have their seats. So this answer is 55. Or you can say that this is exactly equal to factorial 5. This is equal to this one. You can easily think about this one also. Tomake question enadora bhanbo para. For 5 boys, 5 different places are there. Suppose boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4 and boy 5. So in how many ways you can fill up this one place? This place or this seat can be taken by any one of the 5 boys. Maybe by the boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4, boy 5. 5 possibilities are there. Suppose boy 3 is given here. Boy 3 number bohibo. So in how many ways you can fill up? Can the boy 3 can cover the or what take us another seat? No. He seat lobo nware. এটা লৰাই এটা মই দুটা সিট কনসিডাৰ কৰিব নোৱাৰে so this place can be filled up by remaining 4 ways that means out of the 4 different boys any one of them will what take this one seat so this place can be filled up in how many ways 4 suppose I have written b1 here boy number 1 we have bohi goise so you are not supposed to use boy 1 have a seat a lot of seat to lobo nwaribo so this place can be filled up in how many ways this is not just like this repetition is not allowed 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is it the same as this one yes when objects are distinct you can think about competition out of 5 boys all the boys we have to arrange among themselves this is nothing but factorial of 5 is equal to 120 is it clear so this is the value for 120 now we will try to arrange the guards in their respective places so how many places are left with us to be arranged 6 places are there out of 6 places how many places will be required kimanta place lage amar because how many girls are there 3 girls then tinta seat amak lage je tinta seat arrange kori maybe he tinta seat ekta hobo pare maybe ei tinta hobo pare maybe ei tinta hobo pare so out of 6 different seats we will try to consider 3 seats to have the arrangement কিয় tinta seat lage because how many guards are there 3 guards are there tinta seat lage tinta seat lagibo so এখানে 6টা সিটৰ পৰা আমি 3টা সিট কনসিডাৰ কৰিছো to have the arrangement so what is the answer factorial of 6 is it clear 6 minus 3 what is the answer factorial of 6 divided by factorial of 3 or you can say that 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial of 3 by factorial of 3 this one is cancelled so here the answer is 26 is it clear so 120 here also or you can say এটা কথাটো হল তিনিজনী ছোৱালী বহাই দিয়াৰ পিছত বাকি সিকিটা কি থাকিব so if the guards will be here guards 1 guards 2 guards 3 then boys will be sit together the boys may be sit together but guards should not be together 2 guards should not be together so here আমি ছোৱালীজনী এনেকে বহাই the remaining place will be left so that means if guards will be here suppose 1 then this place will be left are you getting my point question to bhalke solution koise first of all we will try to give the seat for each and every boys how many seats will be required 5 seats will be required for how many boys 5 that is 5 seats can be arranged among 5 boys in how many ways 5 ways 5 kya karo all the boys are distinct 5 boys 5 seats are required so answer is factorial of 520 now how many places are left with us for guards 6 places are left with us how many guards are there out of 6 seats we have to arrange 3 different seats so 63 is 120 so either listen now we have to add we have got two different values 120 for boys and 120 for girls to have the answer both the situation is compulsory we have to arrange the boys as well as we have to arrange the girls that's right total number of ways equal to 120 into 120 so 144 14,400 ways are there that we can arrange 8 different boys where no 2 guards will be there together দুজনী ছোৱালী একেলগে কেতিয়াও বহিব নোৱাৰে আমি কিমানটা ওয়েজত আমাৰ বহাব পাৰো 14,400 জেনেৰেলি you cannot think about in practical life কিন্তু practical কথা আমি ইমাজিনে কৰিব নোৱাৰো কিমানটা ওয়েজত পাৰি but using permutation and combination you can find out the answer in a simple way first of all we have given the seat for 5 different boys ছোৱালীবিলাক ক'ত বহাব পাৰি মই চালো তাৰপিছত আহিব answer but why you have to multiply because to have the answer both the situation is compulsory you have to arrange the boys as well as you have to arrange the guards that's why the answer is 120 to 120 which is equal to 14,400 thank you so much for watching the video